In this video, I will show you how to share your screen during an Instagram video call. To get started, open up the Instagram app on your device. Next, head over to your direct messages by tapping on the messenger icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Once you're in your DMs, find and tap on the chat where you want to share your screen. In order to share your screen, you'll need to start a video call. Tap on the video call icon located at the top right corner of your chosen chat. Now that you're connected via video call, look for a button at the bottom center of your screen. Tap on this button and select Screen Share from the options presented. When prompted, tap Start Broadcast. Depending on your device settings, you may need to allow certain permissions for screen sharing to work effectively. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.